Hi, this is Jackson from Rapid Tech Hosting, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up an autoresponder on cPanel. To add an autoresponder, scroll down the cPanel menu and select Autoresponder in the email section. In the Managing field, select the domain you would like autoresponding to be enabled for. Select Add Autoresponder to begin setting it up. Select a character set from the Character Set menu. This will always be set to UTF-8 by default. Enter the interval in hours for the autoresponder to wait between responses to the same email address. In the email text box, enter the email address for which to respond. In the From text box, enter the username to appear in the response. In the Subject text box, enter the subject to appear in the response. If the message contains HTML tags, select the HTML checkbox. In the Body text box, enter the text of your response. You can select a start time from one of two options. You can choose Immediately or Custom. If you select Custom, a small calendar will appear. You can use the arrows to navigate between months and click your preferred time and date. When you're happy with your results, select Create-Modify to save the autoresponder. Your autoresponder will now be active.